Good morning children. Today is 8th March. Thought of the week is don't let what you cannot do interfere with what you can do. Chapter 15 has been going on and area, the topic is area. We will study now the next topic. Area of a triangle. We know that area of a triangle is half into base into height. Okay children, in the last period we have seen area of trapezium, area of a parallelogram, and today we are going towards area of a triangle. So what is the formula for area of triangle? It is equal to half into base into height. To find the area of triangle when three sides are given, so we will use here Heron's formula. For Heron's formula we must know the semi-perimeter. So what is semi-perimeter? When three sides of a triangle are given as A, B and C, so semi-perimeter S is equal to what? A plus B plus C upon 2. So there is one triangle ABC whose sides are A, B and C. So what will be the area of that triangle? Area of triangle is under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So using this formula we will solve some examples. So let us see first example. If the side of a triangle are 17 cm, 25 cm and 26 cm, find the area of the triangle. Solution. Here this is a triangle ABC and what you have to see? You have to name the sides. A is equal to 17, B is equal to 25 and C is equal to 26. So what is the semi-perimeter? Semi-perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. That means 17 plus 25 plus 26 upon 2. So add it. You will get 68 upon 2. And 68 upon 2 is 34. So S is equal to what? 34. Now substituting the value for S in the formula area of a triangle. So area of triangle is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So it is equal to under root 34 into 34 minus 17, then 34 minus 25, then 34 minus 26. So after subtracting, what you will get? Under root 34 into 17. 34 minus 17 is 17 and 34 minus 25 is 9 and 34 minus 26 is 8. In this way we will find now factors. So factors of 34 are 17 into 2 into 17 and factors of 9 are 3 into 3. Factors of 8 are 2 into 2 into 2. Now the next factors, here we get 17 two times. So under root 17 square, then 2 we get 2 more times, 2 square into 2 square, and 3 we get 2 times, that is 3 square. So taking out square root and square, it cancelled and we get 17 into 2 into 2 multiplied by 3. So what is the area then? 204 square centimeter. So in this way we have found now area of triangle is 204 square centimeter. So this is first example. Have you understood children? Now see the next example. Second example. The figure of a plot and its measures are given. Okay. So this is one quadrilateral LMNO. So actually it is a plot. Okay. And the sides are given. Length LM is equal to 60 centimeter. 60 meter because plots measures are given in meters. Then length MN is equal to 60 meter. Then LN is equal to 96 meter. Then OP is equal to 70 meter. So 4 sides are given and we have to find the area of the plot. So some explanation is given. In the figure we get two triangles. Here first triangle is LMN, second triangle is LNO. So one by one we will solve and we will find one by one area also. So we know that the lengths of all sides of triangle LMN, that's why we will use Heron's formula to find the area of LMN. So we will find the area of this triangle, and in triangle LNO, side LN is the base. To find the area of LNO, what we have? LN is base and OP is the height. Okay. So ln is base and OP is the height. We will find the area of triangle LNO. Now see, semi-perimeter of triangle LMN. S is equal to what? These three sides, LM, then MN, and then LN. So 60 plus 96 upon 2. S is equal to 216 upon 2, because the addition of 60 plus 96 is 216 upon 2. This will be equal to 108 meter. So now substituting the value for S, semi-perimeter is 108 now. Therefore, area of triangle LMN is equal to what? Under root S. We know the formula, S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So what is S now? 108. Now 108 minus 60 into 108 minus again 60. That is, the second side is also 60. Then the third side, 108 minus 96. So after subtracting, what you will get? Under root 108 into 48 into 48 into 17. So in this way, the first part of second example is over. Let us continue this sum in the next slide. So therefore, area of triangle LMN is equal to what? Under root 108 into 108 minus 60 is what? 48. Again 108 minus 60 is what? 48. Again 108 minus 96 is 12. So in this way, find out the factors of 108. 12 into 9 and 48 is as it is. This also 48 as it is and 12. So in this way, we get 48 2 times, 12 2 times and 9 we can write 3. So 3 into 3. So after taking out the square root and the squares, what we get? 12 one time, then 3 one time and 48 one time. So multiply it, 12 into 3 into 48. So what is the area of triangle LMN then? 1728 square meter. Therefore, area of triangle now LNO, the next triangle we will find. So what will be the area? Half into base into height. That is equal to half into 96 into 70. Base is what? 96 and height is 70. So therefore 96 into 35, it will be equal to 3360 square meter. Now we can calculate the total area. Area of plot, that is quadrilateral LMNO, is equal to what? Area of triangle LMN plus area of triangle LNO. That is, the first area is 1728 plus the another area is 3360. So total is 5088 square meter. Therefore, area of the plot LMNO is 5088 square meter. Children, here we have finished the second sum and we will see the next part in the next slide.